Let's take a look at how to create a new community in the Cheers Registry. To create a community, click the blue Project button next to the search bar. The Project button will default to the last project type created. To create a different type of project, click to open the drop-down menu, then select Community. This will take you to the Community Creation page. Select Click here if this will be a new community. First, enter your new community name. Next, designate the builder by using the Smart Search bar on the right. The builder's company must be registered with Cheers for you to select their company and proceed with creating your community. Enter the total number of dwellings to be built in this community. If this information is unknown, enter 0. This number can be changed after the project has been created. Click the Import button to choose the XMLBs file or files from your computer. The Cheers Registry allows you to import multiple XMLBs files at once when you are creating a community. Select all your XMLBs files, then click Open. Upon importing your XMLBs files, you'll then be asked to make your above code program designations for each file, such as EPA WaterSense, Energy Star, and Energy Smart Homes. Cheers builds above code program designations directly into the Cheers Registry, which automatically populates the documentation that's required later in the project to close out the job. Once files are uploaded, the documentation author can either sign and complete or designate a responsible signer. To sign as both the documentation author and the responsible person, simply click Sign and Complete. If you are not the responsible person, you can select the responsible person from the Designate Responsible Signer Smart Search bar, and they will receive a notification that they have documents to sign. The documents in your community will appear as gold, as they are assigned for signature. The above code programs you selected will be listed on the right side of the page under Programs. Below your documents is a space for Community Details, where you'll find relevant information about your project, such as the building department and a space for the builder to add the superintendent contact information. At the bottom of the page is a space for Members. The Members section will show all the companies and team members that have access to this community. To add a new member, use the Smart Search bar to enter their name, company name, or CSLB, then select them from the drop-down list. This will send them a notification that they've been added to this project. The builder or other responsible person will receive a notification alerting them that they have been added to your community project. If the builder has configured their alert settings to send them an email, they can simply click the link in the email notification to sign the forms. If the builder has their notifications turned off, they can simply click the alerts icon at the top of their site's pages to see the notifications informing them there are documents to sign. From here, the builder can select to sign each document individually or choose Sign All Documents to place their signature on all the documents at once. Once the responsible person has signed the documents, you will receive a notification.